Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today we are looking at the next item on the menu, which is the help. So it's basically going to show us the help page. So we can just go ahead and type on help. And as you can see, it gives us some of the commands that we can use within Ansible Navigator. It's a whole lot of them. So it tells you how to navigate your way through Ansible Navigator, how to access menus, how to open, let's say, for example, as we did for the collection, open the examples in text files and everything. So I think this is self-explanatory, just an overview of what it does. So it basically helps you to understand the menus that you have in Ansible Navigator, and if there's a need for you to do something that you want clarity on, you can just reference from the help menu, which gives you a better understanding of whatever command to use and whatever menu to access to get information within Ansible Navigator. So not much for the help menu, but it's really helpful just in case you are stuck somewhere and then you need help to navigate yourself through the menu or probably use something to in Ansible Navigator to achieve your objective. So basically fairly simple and I'll end it here. And once again, I'll advise that you do further or you do extensive learning on this and then share with me whatever you've been able to accomplish by yourself. So thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.